Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever felt like you are always the one putting in the effort? Always that one chasing? Well, what if I told you that there's a way to flip that script? Today, we're diving deep into the nuanced world of attraction to uncover how you can transition from being the pursuer to the pursued. By the end of this video, you will possess the insights to not only capture her attention, but to linger in her thoughts long after. Ready to shift the balance and become irresistibly magnetic in her eyes? Join me as we unveil these secrets and redefine your approach. So let's turn the tables together. Seek self-improvement. Nobody's perfect. However, the journey to self-improvement can be just as attractive as the end goal. Whether it's pursuing a new skill, getting into better physical shape, or working on personal growth, when she sees that you are dedicated to bettering yourself, it can spark her interest. It shows you are committed, disciplined, and introspective, all qualities that can make you curious to know more about you. Offer genuine compliments. In a world of superficialities, genuine compliments stand out. Instead of just commenting on her appearance, why not delve deeper? Appreciate her intelligence, her wit, the way her eyes light up when she's passionate about something, or how she handles different situations with grace. Making her feel seen and appreciated for who she truly is can pave the way for a deeper connection and may lead her to see you as someone that is genuinely different from the rest. Create shared experiences. Shared experiences can be the catalyst for deeper connections. It's one thing to have a chat over coffee, it's another to go on a hike, attend a workshop, or explore a museum together. Engaging in activities that both of you enjoy not only allows for bonding, but also creates memories. It gives you shared stories to reminisce about and a foundation to build upon, potentially making her more eager to create even more memories with you. Build a supportive environment. Every individual thrives in an environment where they feel supported and uplifted. Now, if you can be a pillar of encouragement in her pursuits, she'll start to see you as just more than a crush. Show genuine interest in her goals, offer words of encouragement, and celebrate her achievements, no matter how big or small. This shows her that you are not there just for fun moments, but also during the challenges, making you a valuable presence in her life and potentially someone she would want to get closer to. Show emotional intelligence. When you have a crush, it's easy to become overwhelmed with emotions. However, demonstrating emotional intelligence is about understanding and managing those feelings. This means you are not only self-aware, but also considerate of her feelings. By practicing active listening when she talks and showcasing empathy, you show her a depth many might overlook. This emotional connection can be the foundation of a profound attraction, making her see you in a new light and possibly sparking her interest. Improve your nonverbal cues. Even before speaking, you are communicating. The subtleties of body language can say a lot about how you feel. By maintaining eye contact, you are showing genuine interest. Standing tall with good posture signifies confidence, making you appear more attractive. And small gestures like nodding in agreement or smiling genuinely can show her that you are truly present in the conversation. Now, mastering these cues will make you stand out and could just get her to see you as someone she wants to get to know better. Practice patience. Even though you might be eager to make a move, showing patience can be a game changer. When you're not rushing to confess your feelings or push things forwards, it can create a sense of mystery. She will wonder about your intentions and might even become more intrigued. This slow burn approach allows for genuine connection and trust to form, which can make her more inclined to chase after the relationship she feels is budding. Be solution-oriented. While you're not in a relationship with her yet, there will be moments where challenges arise, even in casual conversations. Perhaps plans for a group outing fall through, or a topic of discussion brings up a problem she's facing. Instead of just sympathizing, offer solutions or alternative plans. This proactive attitude demonstrates your capability and shows her that you are not just another passive admirer. You are someone who brings value and positivity to the table. This characteristic can be highly attractive, making her much more interested in pursuing a deeper connection with you. Consistency? Oh, it's key. Trust is a cornerstone in the foundation of attraction, but it isn't built overnight. By ensuring your words align with your actions consistently, you foster a sense of reliability. This consistent behavior lets her know that you are genuine and dependable. When she doesn't have to second guess your intentions or actions, it frees her to focus on the deeper connection, amplifying her interest in you. Engage in intellectual conversations. Physical attraction might be the initial spark, but intellectual compatibility fans the flames. Diving into deep conversations, exploring topics of mutual interest, or even engaging in healthy debates shows her that you value mental stimulation. These interactions not only challenge her, but also make your interactions memorable, creating a lasting impression that keeps you on her mind. Be unpredictable, but in a good way. Routine can be comforting, but a dash of unpredictability keeps things fresh and exciting. This doesn't mean being inconsistent or unreliable. Instead, it's about surprising her now and then, planning an unexpected outing, trying out a new hobby together, or even sending a message at an unexpected time. These moments of pleasant unpredictability keep her guessing, adding an element of surprise that keeps the attraction alive and vibrant. Embrace authenticity. There's something irresistibly attractive about someone who is unapologetically themselves. Ditch the facade and the temptation to be someone that you are not. Authenticity is a sign of confidence, and women often gravitate towards men who know who they are and embrace their true selves. By staying genuine to your values, your beliefs, and life choices, you naturally stand out and become someone that she wants to get to know more. Foster independence. Being overly available can sometimes diminish the excitement and anticipation in the early stages of a relationship. By fostering your own independence and demonstrating that you have a rich, fulfilling life outside of your interest in her, you create that sense of mystery and allure. It shows that while you value your time with her, you are also someone with your own goals, your own dreams and commitments, making her much more eager to be a part of your world. Master active listening. While it may sound counterintuitive, the best way to get into her head is simply to listen. Active listening involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what the other person is saying. By truly tuning in and understanding her desires, fears, and dreams, you create a deep emotional connection. And this connection often translates into her wanting to pursue you as she feels truly seen and understood. Cultivate your interests. Have you ever noticed how someone's eyes light up when they talk about something they are passionate about? That energy is magnetic. By cultivating and deepening your interests, whether it's music, hiking, painting, or any other hobby, you become more multi-dimensional. Sharing these experiences, stories, and the joy that these passions bring you can really make her more curious and eager to be a part of your exciting world. Establish boundaries. It's crucial to understand that boundaries aren't about pushing someone away. They are about safeguarding your well-being and ensuring mutual respect. When you establish clear boundaries, it communicates that you have self-respect and you value the relationship enough to keep it healthy. When she sees that you are someone who stands firm in their values and principles, it can elevate your worth in her eyes. It sends the message, I value myself and I will also respect and value you. Engage her friends. They say you are judged by the company you keep, but when it comes to romantic interests, sometimes it's the other way around. If her friends find you reliable, genuine, and enjoyable to be around, it could significantly boost your appeal. Friends often look out for each other, and if they give you the nod of approval, she might view you in a more favourable light, amplifying her interest. Challenge her thoughtfully. Stimulating conversations can be a game changer. It's not about contradicting everything she says, but presenting alternative perspectives that she might find intriguing. When you challenge her thoughtfully and respectfully, it showcases your depth, intelligence, and the fact that you're not just trying to impress, but genuinely engage. This can lead to deeper, more meaningful conversations and a heightened sense of connection. Remember small details. In a world where distractions are everywhere, giving someone your undivided attention is a gift. And if you remember tiny details that she mentioned in passing, like her favourite book from childhood, the name of her pet, or a hobby she's passionate about, it demonstrates that you truly listen and care. Now, this not only makes her feel special and valued, but also signals that you're genuinely interested in her as a person, not just a fleeting interest. You've tapped into the power of switching roles, eager to go further, decode her unspoken physical desires, or become the dominant force in her thoughts. The choice is yours, and remember, a like, comment, and subscription will keep these insights coming.